Hey, this is Space, Cooking with Space, aka Michael Goldie, and we're going to cook a potato and some other stuff tonight. And we're going to start with this um, green, black plastic thing, and we're going to go down here, and we have some potatoes. What we got from St. Killian's donations, food pantry. Now we have the potatoes from the food pantry. We'll put them in the microwave on potato 2. Okay, in the microwave. And we say potato. Oh, nope, doesn't want to do that. Potato. And it's going. Okay. Well, this is my fridge right now. I have a lot of additives and different things. And we have milk and different things. I think we're going to put some Velveeta cheese on it, or some other spicy cheese, and some pickles maybe. And maybe some other vegetables or something, but we'll see. We'll put you on hold and we'll grab some stuff out. Okay, well, here's the potatoes again. I'm going to cook them some more because I don't think they're cooked enough. We're going to put some Velveeta or just saltwater bays, maybe some pickles, and some spicy cheese maybe instead of Velveeta. I don't debating between these two, Velveeta or spicy cheese. I don't know which one I want to go. I don't know if I want to go with pastrami or ham. And we also have some onions and some of that. Anyway, we'll give you a second and try to make up my mind up. Next, we cut up some onions, and now the potatoes have been cooked. We're gonna try use my Cutco knife. I sold Cutco when I was like 18. That was like 30 years ago. 35 years old. I just recently sharpened them. You can sharpen them for free if you send them into Cutco. Put this on pause for a second so I can do a better job. Okay. Okay, that's a little bit better. All right, we're gonna put some salt and pepper on it, and then we'll put some cheese on it. Okay. Here it is. It salted already. Okay, I'm gonna go with the spicy cheese. This cheese I bought at it's Boarhead's Pepper Colby Jack cheese loaf from Ralph's. Well, I think I screwed up. Anyway, instead of adding cheese, I went ahead and added the onions and some anyway, some other stuff. And now I'm gonna add the cheese, and then I'm gonna add the beef. Anyway, this is just for a vegan meal. Maybe you can add barbecue or whatever you want on it, whatever sauce. It's potato, onions, and salt and pepper, and anyway, put you on hold now. Here's some cheese already put on it. I'm gonna put provolone. I'm gonna instead of ham. Okay. Anyway, and we'll hold it for a second, and some pickles too. Decoration. Okay, I added some provolone and I added cheese back on. Now I need to add some snacker pickles and then some barbecue, and then I'm gonna melt it. Okay. Okay. That's the finished product, and I'm gonna cook it now, and so I'll do that next. Okay. Well, I used my trusty Ketco knife that I sold when I was 18, 19. Now I'm 53, so anyway, I just recently sharpened them. They cost me $10 to sharpen 4 knives, so it's a pretty good deal. I got Dr. Pepper to drink and this meal to eat. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. This is Space is cooking. Space Cooking with Space, aka Michael Goulding, and we appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, click unlike. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you want to help me, and since I'm eating donated food, I could use their help. I get disability and I low income. So if you want to go to my Patreon at Patreon Michael Goulding, or Patreon C Michael Goulding, I think it is, or you can send me a PayPal donation, or you can send me hardware or software or something, knives for review. I have my address on most of my websites. You can check spacesbox.com for a list of hardware I'm looking for donations on, and a list of my address. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this meal if you made it yourself, and have a great night.